This is how to add Pocket Network as a custom node option in the MyCrypto desktop application. First things first, open the MyCrypto desktop app. Once you do that, find Change Network on the bottom left-hand side of the menu, then click on it. From there, under Show Other Networks, click Add Custom Node. This brings up the Set Up Your Custom Node menu. In the node name field, write something like Pocket Network Gateway. You'll want to keep the network set to ETH since Ethereum is the only network Pocket currently supports. Next, copy and paste the endpoint URL provided by Pocket, which is available in the description or instructions below. Finally, press the Save and Use Custom Node button. And there you go, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm Alberto Haudergy from Pocket Network. If you don't mind, please take a few more seconds to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.